Elizoba abantu omugomborora eyashuku district ya Shema batahira maka agomhandiki mukuru wa government yebyanga Patrick Mutabwire obubashanga omakage agakerere omugomborora ya Kashozi bari kwenda ngo abashoborere ahabwenki ne babima town council bakabahindura ward
council ya Shuku town council tukafuna statutory instrument gazetted ngusuku nkegombara neza kutandika town council kibanza cyo kwa Mushanju konkate ndebiro mu budget tureyinje budget te budget injiro nka town council koro sacha budget terizire IPF terizire ati tumbwita ebintu bita budget injirwe byone biza kutandika bita konka Mutabwire yatukakasa yajangu kako yashira yiguru omuyihanga nibiza kwiza konka twasiga mutukine mu Dawutu ekintu kitari plan hansi ahiguru kitandika kiti
egomborora eyashuku ahamwe na Kachindo zikahinguzibwa kuba town council okutandika gukora aha kibanza cyo kwezi kwa Mushanju omwaka gwa 2016 bite bihandiko okuruga o ministry n'ibyoreka mu Kachindo yonka niyo town council
tukubasa kumpindura umurka ndiye gombora nobwo ndeka ndiye gombora yanje aho baroyazi aho kutsi wa IGG tukahandikira Minister of State mwamitu mwebaze ro government kabahandikira permanent secretary tukamuhandikira ro government ya district kabahandikira chairman C5 tukamuhandikira ubyo mocho kwato hachkwati nebi so kushashitabireho we are ready akuba IGGR naramura to kutahweki to kumpe nkoko yanje mukasheshe kashaka kudeki yekisha mtutu
operation ya municipality mwebuze kushikana kuko including amushuku hata aho ntucyatutereburire munonga tukagera ngo mishukanete kugenda ubugwenda ngo municipality si operation yayo
wanyuma yo kwika omaka gamuhandiki wentura owa government ezebyanga abahumurize
confusion yo kugira ngo turebere Shuku ne anda Kashozi as a ward that can never be what because LC3 cannot join another LC3 and the one becomes LC2 legally tikubasikecho iyo tikumana no mutayi yakihirecho
Mutabwire ari kuganira nabo yagira ngo municipality neza kutandika negombororina eziri mu Kagango Kashozi ahamwe na town council ibiri eziri mu Kabohitendero ahamwe na Shema town council bitu abagisengu ababagisengu abatire ahansi ya Kashozi ne babiha.
As we speak now by law Shema municipality comprises of the 4 units LC3 mezo tukumanyito kuno zo twakurira that is Kashozi Shema town council Kabohitendero town council Kagango sub county. Those are going now 1st July to become they will be called no longer sub counties or whatever or town councils, they will be called municipal divisions under the law. Such a cha town council chizakwamo na sub counties zakugera ki so nizakuba ziri municipal what divisions.
Abashuku nibagira ngo tubari kwasakuza ahansi ya Kashozi kandi obo bari bo bizire Kashozi naha wecho tubari kwenda kuza o municipality
kwishara aha municipality bakurera kutujema tuzakusigara kuriya turiye gombora yito baba twasente ninga batatu tukwenda kuzo municipality kandi baturita mu kaso yito kandi batakatubuzaga batini na minute yo kurugaha gombora ero kugira ngo tuzo mu municipality.
So your issue now, you as chairman LC3 is to author a letter to the COW or even write to the ministry inquiring what is the status. We don't see it in the budget framework paper. Ninga COW abeno wahandikira ki PS and I advised them that time. But I've not been checking because for me I know as a law it is a given.
No Mutabwire yashoborora ngo byona ebiri kugamwa nebishuba bagenda bari kugira ngo tubari kwenda kuza o municipality amakuru agagasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif o muri Shema.